Here next question, 7th question, simplify the following expressions. Here some expressions are given, we have to simplify them. 3a plus 9b minus 6 plus 8a minus 4b minus 7a plus 16. We have to write like terms one side. 3a plus 8a minus 7a one side, next plus 9b minus 4b minus 6 plus 16. 3a plus 8a, how much? 3a plus 8a, 11a, 11 minus 7, 4a, 9 minus 4, 5b plus 10, 16 minus 6, how much? 10. Next 3 into 3a minus 3b minus 8a minus 4b minus 16. We have to multiply 3a minus 3b with 3. 3 3 is 9a minus 3 into 3b minus 9b. Same, minus 8a minus 4b minus 16. 9a minus 8a and minus 9b minus 4b, we have to write one side, minus 16. 9a minus 8a, a minus 9b minus 4b, minus minus if we add means minus only will come, minus 13b minus 16. Next 2 into 2x minus 3 plus 8x plus 12. We have to multiply 2x minus 3 with 2. 2 2s are 4x minus 3 2s are 6 plus 8x plus 12. 4x plus 8x, how much? 12x. 12 minus 6, 6. Next 8x minus 2x minus 3 plus 12. 8x minus, write as it is. But 2x minus 3 we have to multiply with minus. Minus into 2x minus 2x minus into minus plus 3 plus 12. 8x minus 2x, how much? 6x plus 12 plus 3, 15. Next 8h minus 5 plus 7h plus 9. 8h minus into 5 minus 5 minus 7h plus 9. 8h minus 7h, h. 9 minus 5, 4. Next 23 plus 4 into 6m minus 3n minus 8n minus 3m minus 18. 23 plus 6m minus 3n is multiplied with 4. 4 6 are 24m minus 4 3s are 12n minus 8n minus 3m minus 18. 24m and 24m, next minus 3m, next minus 20n. How? Minus 18 minus 12n, how much? Minus 20n minus 18 plus 23. 24 minus 3, 21m. Next minus 20n. 23 minus 18, how much? Plus 5. Next 8th question, add the expressions. Given expressions are there, we have to add them. 4d minus 7c plus 9, 8c minus 11 plus 9d. We write like terms one side. 4d plus 9d, 13d. 8c minus 7c, 8 minus c, 8c minus 7c plus c. 9 minus 11 minus 2. 13d plus c minus 2. Next minus 6f plus 19 minus 8s and 20 minus 23 plus 13f plus 12s. We have to add 13f minus 6f plus 12s minus 8s plus 19 minus 23. 13 minus 6, 7f. 12 minus 8, 4s minus 4. Minus 23 is there, so minus is in near biggest before bigger number, so minus 4. 7f plus 4s minus 4. Next c. 8d minus 14c plus 9 and 16c minus 11 plus 9d. We have to minus, multiply minus to 11 plus 9d. 8d minus 9d plus 16c minus 14c plus 9 minus 11 minus d plus 2c minus 2. Next 6f minus 20 plus 8s and 23 minus 13f minus 12s. 16f minus 13f plus 8s minus 12s plus 23 minus 20. 6 minus 13, how much? Minus 7f plus 8s minus 12s means minus before bigger number, so minus 12 minus 8, how much? 4. So 23 minus 20, 3. So minus 7f minus 4s plus 3. Next 13m minus 12n and 12n minus 13m. See here 13m minus 13m. 13m minus 13m, how much? Plus value minus value same means 0. Here also 12n minus 12m. Sorry, here 12m have to come. No, 12n minus 12n plus 12n minus 12n cancel. So 0. Next minus 26m plus 26m plus 24n minus 24n. Here also plus value minus same plus value minus value of same variable, same like terms 0. Plus 26m minus 26m plus 24n minus 24n. We have to cancel, then answer is 0. Directly we can write 0. Ninth question, subtract the expressions 9a minus 6b plus 14 from 6a plus 9b minus 18. Here don't get confused. We have to subtract 9a minus 6b plus 14 from 6a plus 9b minus 18. We have to subtract this number from to that number. First we have to write right side number 6a plus 9b minus 18 minus next this number left side number 9a minus 6b plus 14. 6a plus 9b minus 18 as it is. Minus symbol is there, no? Minus 9a minus into minus plus 6b minus into plus minus 14. 6a minus 9a one side like terms. 9b plus 6b plus minus 18 minus 14. How much? 6a minus 9a minus 3a. 9 plus 6 15b minus 32. Next I wrote here directly 7y minus 10 plus 3x minus 15x plus 13 minus 9y. 7y minus 10 plus 3x minus into minus 15x plus minus 13 plus 9y. 7y plus 9y 16y 3x plus 15x 18x minus 13 minus 10 minus 23. Next C 11 minus 10g plus 3h minus of 17g plus 9 minus 7h. 11 minus 10g plus 3h multiply with minus 17g minus into plus minus 9 minus into minus plus 7h. Minus 10g minus 17g minus 27g plus 3h plus 7h plus 10h plus 11 minus 9. How much? 2. Sorry kids, that I wrote before C option, no, that one D sum and this one C sum. I made the mistake, so this is C sum. 11 minus 10g plus 3h minus of 17g plus g plus 9 minus 7h. 11 minus 10g plus 3h minus 17g minus plus into minus 9 minus into minus plus 7h. Minus 10g minus 17g minus 27g plus 3h plus 7h plus 10h plus 11 minus 9 2 minus 27g plus 10h plus 2. Next E minus 3y plus 8 minus 3x minus 10x plus 2 plus 10y minus 3y plus 8 minus 3x multiply with minus 10x minus 2 minus 10y minus 3y minus 10y minus 13y plus minus 3x minus 10x minus 13x plus 8 minus 2 6 minus 13y plus minus 13x plus 6. Next F 7h minus 8g plus 20 minus of 8g plus 4h minus 10. 7h minus 8g plus 20 multiply with minus 8g minus 4h plus 10 minus into minus plus 10. 7h minus 4h 3h minus 8g minus 16g plus 20 plus 10 30. Here you have to carefully write minus of minus means minus and then minus into minus means plus. Carefully you have to write. If minus before the bigger value is there means you have to keep minus. So carefully you have to write these subtractions and have to solve these expressions.